Hello guys, this is a tutorial for people who don't have expansions. If you want to be featured in a video, subscribe. Hope you have subscribed. Let's begin. You can either go to example rockets or follow me. Step 1, place 5 Hawk engines. Step 2, place fuel tanks like this. Step 3, add nose cones for aerodynamics. Number 4, add separators. Step 5, build a second stage. Step 6, add separator and lander. Step 7, add separator, heat shield, capsule and parachute. Step 8, launch it into space. Step 9, test it. Slightly tilt the rocket as you launch. Step 10, break off first stage when it runs out of fuel. Step 11, break off second stage. Once you are in orbit, navigate to Moon and find the transfer window. Step 12, accelerate until it says 0. Use lander stage. Step 13, once it's near 0, turn the throttle down and edit trajectory to Moon. Step 14, time warp until right next to dot lowest point in orbit. Step 15, thrust in opposite direction. 16, make an orbit and land. 17, make side velocity 0 and descend. Return to Earth. 19, deploy parachute. 'Final step, recover.